Hi, Subrat again. In life, we usually have a lot of questions. We ask question why? Why I have pain? Why my kid is like this? And why I feel this way? So, yes, as a human being, we have a higher brain power. We always ask why. But in the process of asking why, we sometimes get into getting into wrong answers or we go into a wrong path. And that's what actually creates a problem. Yes, knowledge is power. You have seen me while we are treating, we try to educate most of you a lot. Like we keep talking. We provide you guys email resources. And some people are really curious, they want to know, and more they know, better they are going to be. And I know more than 50% of our past patients, they do not even open our email and they don't even watch a video. And I'm saying this not to complain. And this is I'm talking about because how they are programmed. And we have all these questions, but we want to know the answers. So do I have all the answers? The answer is no, because we are evolving. We are learning every single thing, every single day. But the kind of treatment we do here is extremely powerful. It is so powerful, people cannot take it anymore. Some of our patients, almost like 5% of them, they have to stop in between just to recuperate. So it has nothing to do with us. It depending what is hiding within them. To answer all these questions, I have designed. I know this workshop for one day is extremely short, extremely short. When I do a healing course for professionals, it usually takes me 4 days. But it is better than nothing. And I don't know, in the future, I'm hoping to have a retreat of a week long, where I can bring in different kind of people to talk all the different topic I talk all together. This is not the end, this is the beginning. But I am excited about this Synergy Healing Workshop, which will be coming pretty soon. You are going to see the exact date. Just for one day, this is going to open up, hopefully, because it helped me personally. I did not know. I was looking for stuff, one door open, then the another door open, and it helped me personally. Not only me, my Channa, my kids. You probably have known the whole story because there's nothing here to hide. I tell everything openly. I did not know anything 20 years back, and I was pretty much lost. And I thought I know it all, being a therapist, and I went to school for all these years, but that was not true. And still I'm learning. So more I'm learning, this is what I'm going to share. It's not that I'm the expert, I'm going to tell you something, because that is not our intent to begin with, and I never act that way. But these are the knowledge which needs to be shared. And this workshop, we are going to stepwise, the connection you're going to learn. What is the connection between mind? What is the connection between body? And how they are connected, and why it feels how we feel, and what is depression? What is pain? And right or wrong, bad things can happen to good people. But here, if you have hear me talking here, there is no judgment. Here we just want to move forward. I just want to help. Whenever I see somebody, I just want them to move forward. It does not matter what happened to you in the past, 5 years back, 10 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back. It does not really matter. What I care about, and we do care about here at Synergy Therapy Group, you to move forward. In moving forward, you need knowledge, the right kind. Because I personally have learned a lot of wrong kind of knowledge. That was in my school, physical therapy school. And that was only maybe 1 to 2% true. And the rest is I have to learn again. So, if you have opportunity, if you have time, and if you can make it, but this required a little bit of dedication, because you have to invest in your own life, on your family's life, almost like a whole day, 9 to 5, and it needs some kind of commitment. And this is the beginning of the commitment. So if you register, this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm truly excited because I love doing this workshop, and I'll see you there. Thank you.